Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is directed and filmed by this little guy. Say hi.
Hi. No, I need my hood on. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be learning about this new Evolution saw, and it's pretty sweet, and let's get started.
You want me to stop recording?
Yes!
Why?
Because
Alright guys, so this is the new saw I got. I bought it off of like Amazon. I want to say it was around $380. I've been wanting one of these for a while and I'm glad I got it. This thing's solid. So I'll just show you some of the stuff. Like, this is like real sturdy cast. I mean, it's thick. It's not like my chop saw. And then this vise is thick and solid. When you lock them in, it stays in tight. And this isn't a sponsorship video. I paid for it all myself. They don't even know I'm making this. I'm just so stoked about it. So what this is it's basically a heavy-duty chop saw. It's got a slowed down motor, and instead of like an abrasive wheel, they got these carbide tipped blades. And I think they're like double beveled or something. I can't remember, but anyways, this thing's awesome. Like, I wish I never bought that or that, and I'm probably gonna sell them both and just keep this. Let's see how this thing squares up. I don't know about you, but that's probably pretty good. That's 4" by 1/4" flat bar right there. Yeah, that's another crazy thing about this. It's cold to the touch, and if you look at that cut, that's a clean cut. No burrs really to deal with. Alright, let's check the square on that. So it looks just a little off, but that's because it's all adjustable. Alright, to change the angle on this, there's a lever back here. What you do is you loosen that, and I've been leaving this bolt right here. Let's see if you can see it, bub. Yeah, just slightly loose to where this will spin, but it's not loosey-goosey. And this thing will come up wherever you want. And then, it's just loose enough to where it can pivot. Come over here. I use one of my squares to straighten it up with the blade. Then lock it down. Alright, let's try some 1.5" square tubing. I think this is some 10 gauge. Lock it down. And I'm just going by how it sounds, because I can't tell how it's cutting. It's kind of sketchy, because it could probably cut super fast if I wanted to. And the best part, this whole saw, is this chip collector right here. So you can take this out and put it down your son's pants.
No.
Come on, come over
No.
here. Come over here. Come over here. Turn around.
No. You can't do that.
Oh yeah, I'm going to. I'll put it down your shirt.
I'll put it down your.
It's gonna be so itchy.
I'll put it down your pants.
My pants.
Yes.
Nope, come here. Do you want to be grounded?
No. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not, and comment. Comment. Poop.
Comment poop.
Comment poop.